Got it?
Hey, I'm trying, you know. Oh yeah, they don't realize we're about 500 foot in the air right now. Snow's falling down. That's the crane we're using. You got enough rods?
I got that chipping hammer?
Yeah, hang on, let me find the chipping hammers. Alright, chipping hammer's right here. Coming to you with a chipping hammer. It's snowing pretty good now. Coming on down, it's starting to get worse. They said a storm's coming. I'm gonna give you another couple of minutes and I gotta get off this. That way you got 2 minutes to relax. I want you to send it to my phone.